How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is a 45-piece precision screwdriver set from VCE Link. It's spring-loaded, so when you push it, it pops right open. Notice the bits moves up a little bit, so you can easily access them. When it's closed, it holds all the bits nicely. Even if it's upside down, the bit type is printed on each position. I find that to read the second row or above, it's a little bit difficult. You could remove the bit right in front of it, and now we can see this is a hex 0.7 millimeter. This whole thing is spring-loaded. The lid is also spring-loaded. The top piece freely rotates. This is so that when you're unscrewing, you can hold on to the top, apply pressure onto the screw, and turn it open at the same time. You have the extension here, and it attaches via magnet. We got 0.8 millimeter star pentalobe, so let's use this one. Indicator of what it is on the side. Magnet attachment. This knurled grip is fixed to the screwdriver handle. It doesn't really turn loosely or anything. There's a rubber grip. Now let's try to open up this pentalobe on this iPhone here. Fits right in. There's slight play in there, but I can open it. Just put a little pressure in there and turn it open. Comes with a very sharp pair of tweezers. I got it open here. The marketing pictures does not show this additional feature here. There's a minus magnet and a plus magnet. Pentalobe 0.8, we can see the features of it and how fine it is and what the shaft looks like on the pentalobe. Here's a look at the T2 Torx, the writing that's on it, and what the shaft looks like. If you guys are interested in this set, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.